Ever wondered how water and cooking oil doesn't mix?
We're diving deep into the fascinating world of polar and non-polar.
To uncover the answers, get ready for experiment, demonstration, and mind-blowing discoveries.
Let's explore!
Water is a polar molecule, while cooking oil is a non-polar molecule. Since polar and non-polar molecules don't mix well, water and cooking oil are immiscible. Let's mix it. Since water is a polar molecule and the sugar is also a polar molecule, that's why it is mixed well and they are miscible. Since water and vinegar mix well, this means it is miscible. In this experiment, the gasoline and cooking oil mix well. That's why it is miscible. Since the cooking oil and sugar doesn't mix, it is considered immiscible. We can see that it is separated into distinct layers and they are polar or immiscible. When combined, the sugar and gasoline doesn't mix well, and it is immiscible. Gasoline and vinegar are immiscible since it does not mix well. They are considered miscible since they dissolve in each other.
Hoy! Ay, sa, diri! Straight mo!
Klaro?
Straight. Yeah.
Full body na na.
One,